Hello, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can contact GoDaddy customer support. So after watching this video you are able to contact us GoDaddy customer support. So let's get started. First I'm going to GoDaddy. This link I will attach in my description below. You can click here, then redirect to this website. So first of all go to the scroll down. At last this is a support button, just click on here. If you are mobile user, this is a same method. Now click on contact us, just click on contact us. Here the many way you can contact us. GoDaddy customer support, this is WhatsApp button. If you click here you are able to contact using WhatsApp. This is the live chatting. You can chat with customer support, live support, and this is a phone number every day 9 a.m. to 7 p.m. and if you are on to another way you can charge here. Just click on this button, phone number and hours. Just you can see this is a global phone number. Just charge here your country name. Example of if you are from Brazil, just click on this is a Brazil phone number. Here 3 phone number, and Canada, India, Denmark, France, USA, etc. etc. Country you contact us live with customer support. Here is the type what's your problem, then go to the customer member contact you as soon as possible. Thank you, see you again, take care, goodbye.